President Bola Tinubu has been appointed as the African Union champion for Human Resource for Health and Community Health Delivery Partnership. This is in recognition of the President's commitment to training 120,000 frontline health workers nationwide within 16 months and to double the number of primary health facilities in communities across all local government areas of the Federation from 8,800 to more than 17,000 over the next 3 years. TVC News State House correspondent Femi Akonde reports on the agenda of the other officials attending the 37th Ordinary Session of the AU.
As the 37th African Union Summit gets underway in Addis Ababa, Nigeria, just like other African countries, is hoping to leverage on partnerships that will enhance growth and development. President Bola Tinubu's appointment as the African Union champion for Human Resources for Health and Community Health Delivery Partnership is a boost towards achieving universal health coverage for all Nigerians. With this, the Tinubu administration will attract global investment to Nigeria's health sector for the provision of cutting-edge infrastructure, equipment, and world-class manpower for improved access to quality health care by all Nigerians.
We're talking about how we can scale up diagnostic facility, diagnostic kits in Africa, more so in Nigeria, how we can begin to manufacture our own diagnostic kit, how we can begin to domesticate the use of our pharmaceutical industries in our home country. We're more interested in Nigeria as well.
This year, the theme is focused on education and building of resilient education systems for increased access to inclusive, lifelong, quality and relevant learning in Africa. For Nigeria, participating in this AU summit will strengthen this partnership with Africa to improve access to education.
The aim of this is to see how we can now look at it and see how we can restructure to have an education that will be able to sustain the cooperation within the African states and also develop inter-regional and regional and continental cooperation in terms of access to learning.
The African Union Summit will also discuss and make far-reaching decisions on the security situation on the continent as some of its member states continue to face security challenges. Nigeria has its peculiar security challenges that also requires collaborative efforts to surmount. Nigeria's Minister of Defense says what needs to be improved is intelligence gathering and surveillance.
We are discussing with many African countries in building our defense industries so that we can be able to produce high-level defense equipments in Africa.
As governments, businesses and civil societies from the AU member states engage, the priority will be achieving the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and Agenda 2063 of the African Union. Femi Akonde, TVC News.